Grengo Buhia for achieving 5th place in the 10-kilometer male men in uniform category. Kinakag men in uniform.
Men lang.
Hala. Ma'am, oh.
Wala. Up next! Wala ka masautahin o.
Oh, basta men in uniform dili nato na binuangan because they are with service of the nation.
Of course.
4th place nata, go!
Go Sue! Maghuyok John Ray!
Congratulations, sir. Maguyok January, 4th place, men in uniform category.
Up next, for our 3rd place, congratulations!
Tagaban Junior Jose or Jose Junior Tagaban. Gibali na punta din sa pizza. Congratulations, 3rd place goes to Jose Junior Tagaban. Now 2nd place.
For the 2nd place,
Sir, police ka, sir.
o saka sir?
Fire.
Fire.
Fire officer. Dili fire. Fire officer.
For the 2nd place, congratulations to Junji Dala!
Congratulations, sir, for achieving 2nd place. And let's have the top one, ang pinakauna sa men in uniform category. Our 1st place goes to William Mimay. Congratulations, sir. Nagamay na sila, nanguli na kay nadawat na ang lechon.
Uy, napay grand prize, di ba
Naama
uli
din.
ha? Everyone, we're requesting you all nga mag-stay sa gitadari kay my God. Kasi kamo ang maswertehan sa ito ang grand prize.
Kung mutuo mo ka malason mo, change your mindset. Dapat swerte tang tanan. Congratulations to our top 5 for the 10-kilometer male men in uniform category. 5th place goes to Grengo Buhia.
4th place, where is Maghuyok John Ray?
4th place, Maguyok January. 3rd place goes to Jose Junior Tagapan.
2nd place, congratulations again, Junji Dala. 1st place, William Mimay.
Now let's proceed to the 10-kilometer female men in uniform. Kung female, men in uniform gihapon. Women in uniform. Ambot lang kung tinood ba. Top 5, 5th place goes to Princess May Bukol. Congratulations.
Princess May Bukol again, congratulations. For the 4th place, congratulations, Zaya Palma of PNP.
Mag-remind lang po ko ninyo, please, if we choose a healthy lifestyle, please take care of our environment. Ayaw ilapay inyong basura sa salon. Hindi po yan tamang tapunan ng basura.
Up next, for the 3rd place, congratulations,
The Mary Maureen Lamparas from the PNP. Wow. Congratulations. O, diba? Lagapak runners. Grabe nga pagkalagapak.
Ma'am, wala ka na nagapak kanina magdagan?
Ma'am, PNP, ma'am ka, diba, ma'am? Palihugod ko kaning mga basura, ma'am, oh.
Hala, si ma'am yung papunito.
Dili siya ang mga saba.
Pala ko siya yung papunito.
Dili mo na sila.
Paulaw ta.
Dili mo na sila mapatuon na to. Kay host naman ta. Mapatuon na sila, oh. Police, diba?
Anyway, up next, congratulations to
2nd place goes to
Irish
Kanyara.
of BJMP.
Meaning sa BGMP,
Bureau of
jail,
Ethnology.
management, and penology. O diba? Nagtudlo daw ko yung ay. Grabe, proud kaayo ang mga runners nato during the Peter, no?
Of course, ang ilang pong mga supporters from their own company. Kayo, grabe kayo ka-supportive sa pag-picture taking pa lang.
Announcing the 1st place for the 10-kilometer female men in uniform category, we have Ma'am J-Lo Vinete Lador.
Again, congratulations, Ma'am J-Lo Vinet Lador.
Vinette, Ma'am Vinete.
Vinet.
Vinette.
Vinet.
Vinette. Once again, congratulations to everyone, especially those na nakadawan sa atong mga awards and the top 10 and everyone nga naka-finish line.
Again, congratulations sa atong top 5
Peter,
for
Peter.
10-kilometer female women in uniform category.
Fifth place goes to Princess May Bugol.
Fourth place goes to Leia Palma PNP.
Sulod na.
Third place goes to Mary Morin Lampaz.
Second place goes to Irish
Nagbike ka to.
Kenya.
And we have the first place goes to J. Lovinette Lador. Congratulations once again. Now this time,
Wala graffle na po, graffle.
yes,
Everyone, mag-ingay again! Wala may energy, oy!
we will have the special awards first before the raffle corner. We would like, let me read the citation. Ozamis City Fire Station, in partnership with Ozamis Lifestyle Runners Alabran. Congratulations! Wow.
For this special award, giunsa man ni siya pagselect. While maran ba naghalo?
Best couple runner! Mudagan nga na ay partner. Wow. Sana all. Eh kita mga single ani partner. Mudagan nga mag-inosara. Wa pa dyan sulod ang bulsa.
Congratulations to our best couple na mga nagdagan together. Congratulations to J-Lo and Amiot! Ahaman mo!
Uli na to.
Asa man sila? Of Oscar Runners!
Pero Anamiot from Oscar Runners. Grabe, amazing. Long live your relationship. Best couple runner for today. Gaunsa di ay mo, ma'am. Holding hands.
Ma'am and sir, where are you? J-Lo and Amiot of Oscar Runners.
Makatong na to.
Muli na! Ala, rin na ito ma-witness na couple good sila.
Grabe man dyan na nga ang imong partner, the same nimo interest.
Of course! Kaya rin mag-swap, gino mag-chart, gino. Walay, dapit-dapit.
Oh, kay nga no, og imong partner nag-appeal sa Alabran, wala.
Wala sila, exchange na nato ang couple.
Kitando ba?
Isa naman po, oh yay.
Wow. O diba, imong partner, nag-appeal sa Alabran, pero ikaw natulog, nakita na tong lain. Now, this time, we will have the biggest delegate.
Kinsa man ang pinakadaghan, Diary of Runners!
The biggest delegation goes to
A total of 158 runners, registered runners, ha? Goes to Gloria Bazar!
wow, Gloria Bazar. Thank you so much
Where
for
are-
joining us.
Where are the runners from Gloria Bazar?
150.
Dari tatanan! Dapat na 158 kini manaka
Sige,
diri.
ipon nato. 158 runners from Gloria Bazar. Thank you so much. Sir, dili man ka na pinugos.
Ay, naman.
Calling-
Gloria, Gloria!
Yes, calling all the attention of Gloria Bazar personnel, please come here in front and take your moment on the stage.
Sa katong pan, Chinese.
Sorry sila sa inyong boss. Ganun sila.
Again, congratulations to Gloria Bazar for being the
Biggest delegation, dagan lang po ta, sir. Gadagan kita mo ganina. Pero 158 man, so asa na lang uban?
awa ng uban.
Nanguliin na kay
Ay,
Tabasa.
bawion. Ay, okay. Accepted ang reason. Kay oras, opening na sa Gloria Bazar karon.
Thank
Kasi
you
wala
so
mo
much.
duty kung gi-hold na to sila.
Yes. Okay, now this time, we will award the biggest team for Alabran 2025. With 64 registrants, kinsa man yung mga runners, mga biggest team na amantoy taga Oroqueta, Tangub, from Lanao, from Pagadian, but ang pinakadagan is the RNDC.
Runners Club!
Runners. Wow.
Where are you? Mag-ingay!
a moment on stage. Imagine 78 kabuo ka nag-register.
You're all welcome to come here up on stage. Please take this opportunity para maka-receive sa inyo ang awards and of course, to have your photo opportunity.
Our NDC runners came from asa mo gikan, ma'am? Tangub City. Wow.
Wow, tanggol!
Sir, nakita niyo ang support sa other cities padulong sa inyo ha. Amazing.
Again, congratulations to our biggest team, none other than
RNGC runners from Tangub City.
a total of 64 registered runners. Kaya itong hapon kung 64, maganda sila.
But thank you for the support that you have shown to the Bureau of Fire Protection in Ozamis City and to our Ozamis Lifestyle runners.
Ubay, good, ubay.
Yes, kana siya ang maka-proud.
Hinay-hinay lang ha, hinay-hinay kaya basig mga bigyas ta, mga hagbong ta, bahala di mapicturean, basta di lang mahagbong.
Basta, mas more pa dyan ang moabot unta nato next year. Thank you so much RMGC runners for supporting us. Of course, we would also like to thank all the runners nga among gipag-mention kaganiha nga nakalimot nami. This time, we will award the most inspiring runner for today. Kaganihan nag-interview me o pinakatigulang na runner. We have 74 ba to? Kaganiha. 60. Pero naapa di ay oldest runner. Wow.
But we missed to interview him. That's why. Pero, sa ato ang registration,
We have the oldest runner. Sir, pwede ba na mo i-share ang age?
yeah,
Pwede na.
Yeah.
Age lang. Imagine.
Pila na may edad, ani? Year 1946. Kinsay makakompute?
Kamu na bahala. Basta year 1946 siya gipanganak.
Ang iyang edad, presently, 78 years old!
Kung naa ka diri, sir, congratulations. You are our eldest runner. Oldest runner. Sir Esmer Sedenio Humoan.
Sir, where are you?
Sir, please come on stage, sir. Esmer Sedenio Humoan.
Oh!
Amazing palakpakan!
Present
Grabe!
kapon si Sir! What yun yung ulit? Palakpakan dyan!
Gani atong dapat interviewon. Unsay sekreto.
Sir, what's your secret? Kay sa imong pangidaron karon, ka-active ba kayo? Practice daw, what else? Wala pa yung mga gipagtumar na to, dira nga pwede po matumar nila? Kaunsa, magabi, kaunsa man ka, or makadlawon.
Uy, partner ha?
Chika! Oh, ato i-contact si Sir ha, kay 78 years old. Sus, pas. 10 kilometers, 3 minutes na niya gidagan.
Unta ingon ana puntang tanan, be inspired and be motivated. Padayon sa pagdagan.
Congratulations!
This time we will award the most determined runner. Ang tawag ani kay last runner. Naadyo di ay.
That is the very most special award.
Most determined, humanon, bahala gigapoy. Congratulations, two of our most determined last runners. We have
Hoy, determined ha? Encouraging ka yung word. My God, malipay yun dapat ako dawat.
Ubasin di ay, diabetes na, di pa kahuman galisod og dagan kay piang. Di ba?
What is very important is gitiwas
Yes.
ang run. Bahalag nanakay na, nanakay gini siya.
Wala, uy, nagdagan.
Interview nato kung kasakay
Yes,
ba?
we have Maria Sofia Maglasang and Giv Joshua Romero.
Where are you?
Sorry, Giv Joshua Moreno.
This is the most very special award. Most determined. My God.
Yes, Maria Sofia Maglasang and Giv Joshua Moreno. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Very inspiring po kayo, sir.
Ama ng isa.
We have Ma'am Maria Sofia Maglasan here, present at this moment. Or ni Oli.
Sir, what is your kanang nag-push yun nga kinahanglan? Humanon yun ang run.
Malagay, consistent. Dili challenging magsati ka. Naapan ako ako pa nung check. Nanakay na, pero ako nagtakiang na.
O, nagtakiang.
Sabi ko, pero try lang.
Bakit? So, does it mean nga nagsakay yung kapadulong dari na? Wala hawa siya yung sakay. Take note, iyang yung kihuman. So, ka very determined kayo ni Sir Ay. Again, congratulations!
Yes, hindi naman siya paunanay. Let's support each other to becoming healthy and active. Congratulations
So,
sa
mahal
those.
yang maka-inspired po sa ubang runners, ha? Next time, we have our upcoming marathon again. So, bahalang maulahi, basta maka-award, maayo ka kayo.
Mahalang maulahi ba sa na-election?
Hoy, baliktad na tagpuli.
Now this time we'll have the raffle draw. Unsa dahil ni?
Nagbagbag at ang lechon.
Ang grand prize naman eh.
Pwede na ba i-announce? Grand prize is this year's Ozales Fire Station in partnership with OLR All Abroad. Grand prize raffle Hatasu e-bike Aya.
My God!
Kaya natin, May?
Louder!
Makingan!
Gusto e-bike!
Kaya sakit ito.
Before we announce the name sa makadawat sa e-bike, please, ang danon sa imo karong dili sa e-bike, ang tarpaulin lang sa.
Dahil nahadlo ko sa ilang dimension kanina kay wala lang ko ni sakay kay government employee ba ako basta mawaktang ta sa posisyon. My God! Makingan again!
Posisyon. But anyways, let's go back. Again, dalon lang sa Anchor Pauline. I-add nato sa Gloria Bazaar. The e-bike is waiting for you there. That's amazing. Ningdagan lang ka, you have an e-bike. Ningdagan ka, duha ka tiil. Muli ka, duha ka ligid. Yes, sir. Category sa sir. And GM! Sabi ko nga naka-orange!
Sir, bago ang pangalan, number mo na pag-memorize yung number niya.
Ay, bawal po na. First letter na halan.
Okay. Sino si Debbie?
Debbie?
Debbie
Debbie.
Elicot or Elicot?
10 kilometers. Demi Elicot. Demi Elicot. D-E-M-I Elicot.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1. Goodbye, Demi Elicot, to your e-bike. Let's
Sir,
have
wala na
another.
may ID, no? Ito lang dadalhin, no? Wala nang ID ito. Okay. Tarpaulin lang dadalhin daw.
O di ba magpipit na kag-tarpaulin, muli ka na yung e-bike. Tagpila ba ang e-bike? Di na lang ako musulit. Hatasu e-bike kaya. Next. Once again, thank you so much for being here and for staying. Pero isa sa inyo ang makauli og e-bike this morning. From what category, sir?
Okay! 10 km ulit!
Kaswerte sa 10 km.
Sino si Kilo Charlo? Kilo Charlo.
Charlo!
Or Charlo.
Charlo, where are you? Iwang e-bike kaulat sa imo.
10, 9, 8,
Dagan! Charlo! Charlo! Charlo!
4, 3, 2, 1.
sir, everything happens for a reason. Dili nag-deserve ang e-bike. Dili lang po gigabaan na ano dyan mas naka-deserve sa e-bike. Kaulo, kinsa katong nga basa. Listen po. Yes sir, another one. 5 PM! 5! Wow, balhin sa
May
mga
pag-asang
nakasay.
5! May pag-asang 5 PM! Okay.
Shagit sa mga naka-white, shagit sa. The more shagit, the more chances of winning.
Ang initial na rito ay initial L-A-L. Sino kaya tong L-A-L? Lima Akin Leonard.
Lita Arkin Leonard. Saka mo, sir? Lipa Adrian Leonard.
10,
Lipa Adrian
8, 7, 6,
Lipa Adrian Leonard. Wow! Oh, diba?
My God!
Madam lang.
Where's your
ID?
So confirm, may ikaw ba yun? Ang nakadaw.
Oh, so dili ka siya pwede, bata pa man ka. Naka-driver's license?
Hoy, e-bike, no need for driver's license.
Ay, di ay. Mag-e-bike na lang ta. Ah, okay.
Confirm?
Naa ang mama, di na takakuan. Pero kasi sa pili, ato ba katauhan? Ladies and gentlemen, ano ka doon sa itong e-bike for Alabran 2025? Adrian Leonard Lipa!
Congratulations!
Amazing! Kaswerte sa
Atong pakpakan!
natawa, nanguli na lang sila.
Hoy, pasensya kayo ka itong mga wala kadawa. Hay,
Interview sa
today, we have another marathon! Pero,
Oh, pilay edad? 13 years old, dahil uyab. Wala may rapod, kaya wala mo angkas.
Okay, thank you everyone. See you on April 27 at Lopisaina!
April 27 at Lopesana, this is Alabran 2025 in brought to you by Bureau of Fire Protection.
And see you on May 25 for Garant from East to West here in Osamis City. April 27 and May 25.
Remember those dates, please?
All brought to you by Osamis Lifestyle Runners.
Yes, what an amazing life to be a runner today.
again, remember, this Alabron 2025 is brought to you by Bureau of Fire Protection
In partnership with Osamis Lifestyle Runners.
for the awareness of fire prevention.